Hello traders, Selamat Hari Raya. Welcome back to the series of 5k to 6 figures funded challenge, where I document my journey from 5k prop firm challenge to 6 figures in funding while keeping the cost as low as possible. If you haven't checked out the episode 1, make sure to go back and watch that to see how this journey started. So this week had its ups and downs, and I will be breaking down each trading day, sharing the wins, the losses, and what I have learned, plus how did I manage to pull the account from a 6% drawdown back to a small 1% profit. So there's definitely some progress, and let's get into it. So Monday wasn't the best start of the week. I took 2 losses back to back. For the first trade, I took a buy. It went straight into stop loss. For the second trade, I took a short. It went straight into stop loss as well. So I ended the day with 2 losses. Tuesday, I came in fresh, and also I tweaked my approach a bit to incorporate the higher time frame as context for my trade. This adjustment gave me a better perspective on the market structure and helped to refine my entry timing. I only took one trade on Tuesday, which was a long position. After ranging for a bit, the price finally went into my take profit. There was no trade for me on Wednesday, so let's look into Thursday. FOMO kicked in, and I was chasing the high. The first trade was a stop loss. I patiently waited for the second trade, which fits all my criteria. After some pullbacks, the price finally went into my take profit. So I ended the day with 1 hour profit in total. There was no trade on Friday as well. So let's jump into Monday, which was yesterday. For yesterday, I have taken 2 trades. The first trade was a stop loss. As for the second trade, I was having the same directional bias, which is to go short. And after price lingering around in my drawdown, the momentum finally kicked in and pushed the price to my take profit. So I ended the day with a 1 hour profit as well on yesterday. So in conclusion, by looking back, it was a decent week for me with steady growth. The key takeaways are losses happen, but staying disciplined is what matters. I believe one good trade can make up for my multiple small losses. No trade days are just as valuable as trading days, and patience and execution are everything. So I managed to recover from the 6% drawdown from the beginning, and now the account is sitting at 1% small profit, which is a big confidence boost for me moving forward. Tweaking my approach to use the higher time frame for the context was a game changer, and I believe this is something that I will continue refining. So I'm still focusing on getting this challenge account passed, get a payout, and scale up the capital up to 6 figures. If you're enjoying this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about how your week went in the market. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.